from Ljubljana.
Hello.
Thank you very much. We are in the EU house with the participants from the Slovenian hub, who is very much pleased that culture is included in the third interim report of the Conference on the Future of Europe. We are very proud that the report mentions the Amplify initiative and also highlights the Amplify meeting organized by Motovila in Murska Sobota. Participants there in Murska Sobota particularly stressed the importance of international cultural cooperation, and Sara Bojanic from the Institute for Transmedia Design was one of them. So Sara, please share your concerns and thoughts.
Hi, thank you, Tanya. So, hi to everybody. So, dear guests and dear participants, the Slovenian Amplify Hub calls for support of the greater professionalization of the cultural sector in the local environment. As second, we call for more opportunities of engaging with audiences in culture at the local level. And as third, we require a system of national and regional co-financing of international cultural cooperation. So let me clarify. I live and work in a small rural environment in which experts engaged in European projects exist, but we require faster professionalization of underrepresented artists and cultural workers. And a second, we want to raise an audience from an early stage. We want to integrate culture into the school, not only on how to create it, but also on how to consume it. And as third, I believe that half of the success of why Slovenia has been so successful in acquiring European funding lies in the truth that the national system of financing culture has failed. We have proven the excellence, and you can't neglect. We do exist and we do operate on the international level. And as such, we require a systematic co-financing support. Culture hasn't been here in the pre-political campaign. We just have a new government. And as such, I wish culture to be brought back to the radar for the better of the future. Thank you.